Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create an invoice in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets and navigate to this section that is template gallery. Now, instead of building an invoice from scratch, Google Sheet actually has a built-in invoice template, which we are going to use. So click on this icon and you will see different kind of templates. Simply scroll down and navigate to the work section where you will see the invoice template. Double click it and it will open up in your Google Sheets. Let's start filling this in. Double click on the company name cell at the top and type in your company's name. For example, I will enter fixed base. Now, you can also add your address right below it if you need to. So you can change it from just right here. So make sure you enter your own address. After doing this, you will notice the template has some color in it. If you want to change that, just highlight the text. For example, this invoice is in blue. I will click it and will click this text color option. I will choose a simple color that is black. You can also make this text bold or italic, anything you want. I will leave it as it is. Now, make sure you change the submitted on date to the correct one. Now, fill in the rest of the details, like the invoice date. Make sure you enter the correct date. Now, in the invoice for section, you can see the name is just right here. So I will enter payable to John Jacobs. Now, you can enter the invoice number. Now, enter the company name. You can enter the street address here. Also, in the invoice for section, make sure you enter the correct name. After this, you'll have to enter the street address here. You can add the city's state zip and you can enter the project name and select the due date for this invoice. Now, in the notes section, you can enter something like payable within 7 days. Now, scroll down to the item section, that is this one. And here you'll have to enter your product's name. It could be anything, any product or service like video creation or thumbnail creation. So basically enter the description of your products here, enter the quantity of the product produced or the service given. If it's a service that is non-countable, you can simply select it and press delete. Now, make sure you update the unit price for all the products. Now, you will notice that the total at the bottom updates automatically as you fill things in. And if there are any adjustment rows you don't need, like in here, there's an adjustment fee of 100, you can simply double click this and enter 0. Now, the total will be counted just right here. Now, once your invoice is ready, go to File, then click Download and select .pdf. Now, set the page orientation to Portrait and click Export in the top right. After you do this, a file will be downloaded into the Downloads folder on your PC. You can simply open this file and you will see your invoice just like this. So, that's how you create an invoice in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.